Hey there, UGG lovers! Welcome back to another handy guide. Got a pair of UGG slippers that need some love? Maybe they've seen better days and are looking a bit worse for wear? Don't worry, I'm here to show you how to clean your UGG slippers without any fancy kits. That's right, no need to spend extra money on specialized cleaning products. Just some simple items you probably have lying around your house. It's amazing what you can do with everyday household items. Let's dive in. This process is straightforward and easy to follow. First things first, let's gather our supplies. Having everything ready will make the process smoother. You'll need a soft brush or an old toothbrush, a clean sponge, some white vinegar, mild liquid soap, and a clean dry towel. These items are gentle yet effective for cleaning. Oh, and don't forget a bowl of cold water. Cold water is crucial as it helps maintain the integrity of the material. Alright, step 1. Brush off the dirt. This is an important first step to ensure a thorough clean. Take that soft brush or toothbrush and give your slippers a good brushing. Be gentle but thorough. Make sure you get into all those nooks and crannies. Dirt can hide in the smallest places. This helps remove any loose dirt or debris that could make cleaning harder down the line. A good brush off sets the stage for effective cleaning. Step 2. Create the cleaning solution. This solution is gentle yet effective for cleaning suede. In your bowl of cold water, mix in a small amount of white vinegar and a few drops of mild liquid soap. The vinegar helps to disinfect while the soap cleans. Give it a good stir until it's nice and sudsy. Step 3. Sponge down. The suds will help lift dirt from the material. Dip your sponge into the cleaning solution and gently squeeze out the excess water. You don't want it dripping wet, you want it damp, not soaking wet. This ensures you clean without oversaturating the material. Now gently wipe down the exterior of your slippers. Be thorough but gentle. Be careful not to saturate the material. Step 4. Spot cleaning. This step is crucial for those stubborn stains. If you've got any stubborn stains, dip your toothbrush into the cleaning solution and gently scrub the spots. Focus on one area at a time. Take your time and be gentle to avoid damaging the suede. Step 5. Rinse. This step ensures no cleaning solution is left behind. Dampen another clean sponge with cold water, without any soap or vinegar this time, and carefully wipe down your slippers to remove any soap residue. This step is essential to prevent any soap from drying on the material. Again, avoid getting them too wet. Step 6. Drying time. Proper drying is key to maintaining the shape and texture of your slippers. Take your clean, dry towel and pat your slippers to remove excess moisture. Patting helps absorb water without damaging the material. Stuff the slippers with newspaper or paper towels to help them keep their shape while drying. This also helps absorb any remaining moisture. Let them air dry in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight or heat sources. Direct heat can damage the material. Patience is key here, folks. Step 7. Final brush. This final step brings back the softness of the suede. Once your slippers are completely dry, give them one last brush with your soft brush to restore the suede's natural texture. This step fluffs up the fibers and makes them look as good as new. And there you have it. Clean, fresh UGG slippers ready to keep your feet cozy. Clean, fresh UGG slippers ready to keep your feet cozy. Enjoy the comfort of your rejuvenated slippers. Remember, regular cleaning helps extend the life of your beloved UGGs. A little maintenance goes a long way. If you enjoyed this DIY cleaning guide, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Your support means a lot. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay cozy and take care.